everybody, it's Kelly and I am back, and this video is going to be very late, just like I thought it would be, and the reason is because of these three and their parents. I have spent the last couple of days with my stepson and his my daughter-in-law and my three grandkids. We went away together to a really nice resort area and just spent the time just being together and playing games and all sorts of stuff. And that's what my layout today and the layout video you'll see tomorrow are going to be all about, just because I'm going to concentrate on that. I'll tell other stories probably within this, but definitely these. I want to get snapshots of things in my book because this was such a cool thing and so meaningful to me. Speaking of tomorrow, your video tomorrow may also be delayed. I'm not quite sure how that's going to work because I've got to have time to get stuff uploaded today. So definitely it's probably going to affect tomorrow as well. And then we'll see how that is going forward through the Christmas holidays. So still going to do a video a day for you. They might just be delayed. So here is the page for today. 3 photographs. This is the first day we were together. We played a lot of games. I got to enjoy that quite a bit with my oldest grandson. My middle grandchild was sick. So was his little sister, but definitely sick while I was there with him or with them, and it was so sad that he didn't feel good, but you know, that is what it is, I guess. But so he's with Daddy. He definitely was sleeping and that kind of stuff, and he did manage to have some fun. He got a little bit better today, and he did some things on the first day I was there. But anyway, so I'm thinking I want to use a 3x4 card here just to talk about some of the things that we did on that first day and where we were. And I just realized I never did take pictures of the place that we were, so because it was absolutely gorgeous. It's a little bit in the background here, and like I had my own little kind of apartment thing. It was very cool. So I'm thinking I want to do something about like gathering together or that kind of a thing. So just kind of toying with that. And I'm thinking red would be good here just because I like that better than the green. I'm just going to flip through. Oh, this is good too. This thankful for this moment because I am very thankful that I got to go with them and do this. It's the first time we've gone away together like this. So that was pretty cool. I could do that. I think that's a little bit too much color. I've got a little December fun kind of thing. I think I should stop looking because I'm already going to be taking some time, right? So, we're going to do this like this, I think. That'll be good. And then I do want to embellish a little bit. So let's see. I'm going to look at maybe doing labels or stickers. Maybe not labels because I took these photos pretty close, so there's not a lot of extra space. On all my grandkids have M names. They did not intend to do that, but it kind of happened. And so I even forgot what I was going to say. That's what happens when I'm doing more than one thing at a time, right? Anyway, M number 3 here. That's what I was going to say, is there is space on her photo, but no, I don't know. So anyway, here's a little sticker that says good times. So, you know, I could do that with this one. There's one here that says, this was a special moment, or even treasuring. I like this, treasuring little moments, but you can't really see it on that blanket. Joy would be good there. This was a special moment is not good for his, let's see, I'm having a hard time seeing this, so I'm going to just, oh, here we go. Yeah, that's a little too close there. Kind of like the joy. Let's see. Just trying to think if there's... I do have those phrase stickers. Oh, and I need a that's what we'll do on this photo, is maybe I'll just do the day on this one, and this was day 20. Now I'm going to pop this in, because and maybe I'll pop all of these in, because I don't think I'll do washi or anything, but I'll put the stickers on the outside here. Could do a little washi. I did give them presents on this day, and I was having so much fun watching them opening them and playing with them afterwards that I never even took a photo, which I feel bad about that, except I don't, because, you know, that means I was like totally in the moment. All right, so let's do this little pink heart on this one, because it kind of pulls in the pink from that. And then thinking, still looking for those phrase stickers. Let's see, I've got another rounded sticker there that says, that's these guys, that says Mary. Okay, hold on a second, guys, I have to find this. Kind of little, but I didn't think they were that little. Trying here. Oh, that's the reason why you shouldn't have too much stuff, right? Because then it's really hard to find it when you're looking. I'll have to maybe take a look before the next one, but I know I had white phrase stickers here. Okay, I seem to have misplaced them for sure. Darn, they would be great for this, but this is a really exciting video. First of all, I make you wait forever, and then I can't find the one thing I want. Eek. Okay, one more peruse through my stuff here, and if I don't find them this time, that's it. I'm going to have to just give up and come back to it while I'm not on camera with you. Ah, here they are. They were just tucked in. I knew I had them. Okay, so holiday treat. Let's see. Cozy. Favorite time of year. She is one of the family favorites. Okay, I'm just going to look at this one. Says this is a great day, was a great day. You know, that might be kind of fun. Oh, even better. Love spending, oh, here we go. Couple of different things here. This family, giving thanks for this. Okay. I think I might do a little, or do I want to pink on up with this one? This one says, there's one here that says, this merry moment. And I didn't really want to put anything over this board because I love this photo, but oh well. Okay, then I'm thinking I'm going to do just a gray heart over this one because I don't have any more big pink ones left. And okay, then I'm thinking I should put something. Let's see, I don't have any green in here, so I think a green heart wouldn't work. I do have these pink ones, so maybe I just throw a little pink one down here. Okay, so I think that's good. All right, so we have the number on, we have a couple stickers. Guys, this is how fast it can be sometimes. So what I will do is I'm going to quick journal on this, take the photos, and get the video going. So thanks for being patient, and I will work on all the, oh, see, now I'm looking at something and thinking, oh, these are kind of cute. Can I add something in here. Although I think that's just a lot more, just because these are bigger. That says Mary. So thinking, actually these need to go out on the outside anyway. So let me just do this quick and see. Kind of like this, and then I'll probably, if I do this, put some ATG on that Mary. Okay. These are a little bit too much the same size. I like the idea of this, but it just doesn't, I don't know, doesn't feel like it's working. I think if these were different sizes, it would work a little bit better. But now that I've got this pink kind of there, I think I like that better. That's cute. A little bit of green in there. Okay, I like that. So now it's done. Okay, guys, I'm going to go get the stuff ready so I can get this uploaded for you. And then I'm going to go to work on the next day. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back again tomorrow with another video. Bye!